But none of y'all ain't really got shit. Some of y'all just look lost. I get this type of feel you ain't accustomed to. I swear the peace if it want for you, yeah, yeah. Only want your love if it's solid. But if you fuck me, then fuck you. And that's the way I like it. That's the way I like it. Yeah, that's the way I like it. Gonna smile for none of these bitches. That's the way I like it. Wiping them down.
Come on me, fly you out to grief. Full speed, so for the barrier. Come on me, give all that you need to.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Namhla Day. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. If you're a return subscriber, welcome back, and thank you for coming back to my channel. Okay guys, this is a new vlog, as you guys can tell. I don't know what I'm gonna call this vlog now. I'm thinking it's gonna be a daily vlog because just for vibes, you know what I'm saying? I look so good. It's been a tough week for me. That week, last week, was my job week. Because, wow. 2 days ago, my laptop stopped working. Woke, I have a quiz that's due today. Need to do it today. And another laptop. But I've decided to go to my sister because she has a laptop, and why the heck not? I look so pretty. Guys, my family and I are going to church. My husband is not getting ready. Guys, please give me a minute. Go get dressed. I'm sure you guys are tired of this view by now. I also am, but you know, I'm just trying to show you guys what's up. Guys, I'm back at Ray's, but now I'm on my way to Joburg. Church was amazing. Okay, I enjoyed it. I'm definitely going back. Hope you guys can hear me. Dimoshile. Go on this hate. Mara. It's a story, another story. I couldn't pay, I couldn't hold. I'll be fine. Okay guys, Cindy Figile up at Joseberg. I'm gonna go to McDonald's to do my quiz, which is due tonight. So, and I have a Wi-Fi app and also don't have data, so I might as well go do it while I still have time.
But none of y'all ain't really got shit. Some of y'all just look lost. Type of feel you ain't accustomed to. I swear I'll be at peace if it want for you, yeah, yeah. Only want your love if it's solid. But if you fuck me, then fuck you. And that's the way I like it. That's the way I like it. Yeah, that's the way I like it. Gonna smile for none of these bitches. That's the way I like it. Wiping them down in front of these niggas. That's the way I like it. I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30.
Chat. Should they fold that bitch, no yoga mat? Chat. Should they dare that nigga, don't hit me back? Chat. Should I ran that nigga, no questions asked? Chat. Chat. They chatting, they chat. When the sun go down, everything made me feel lonely. Had a little sad thing, but right now it's just a hole. Try to look good, it's hard enough, don't wanna hold me. Hype me up, you give me hype. You my favorite coach, compress the line. Fucking stress off, that's my only vice. I take it off when you tell me if I'm feeling fine. I run it up, risk it all like I'm rolling dice. Taking it all, that's my second life. That's me, passed out on a nigga backseat. Cast out on the backseat beach. Oh, you know my body. Oh, you know that's me. Bitch, shifting like it me. All I want to love is inside there.
I made it for nothing, no turn into something from nothing, yeah. Made it through property on our minority, you know the story. Hop on the jet on my property and fly away. Fly, fly, fly away. I'm your president, yeah. Straight out the trenches, yeah. My niggas can't with me, yeah. The richest, the richest, the richest, yeah. Rich nigga got us on seats, yeah. All of these hoes came with it, yeah. All them over get came with it, yeah, yeah, yeah. I try to fight temptation, yeah. Top gun is on vacation, yeah. I'm not trying to hurt nobody, Count up the hundreds, I promise some patience. Give you some gain and slow motivation. We need the gas, head in the place. Switch up the swag, switch up the man. Nigga, they jacking my swag cause it's fashion. I do it bigger than niggas imagine. Heard that bitch making no rumors. She gave more head than a tumor. And I got things I can prove, yeah. I got a rich nigga on the plumber.
It's another day into the vlog. So today is a Tuesday and I went to the mall for like grocery shopping, you know, just to kosha a few things here and there. Just came back and had a quick midnight snack because I removed them this morning. I was tired. I was over everything. Okay, missed you guys. I missed vlogging for you guys. I'll show you some things that I got, you know. And also tomorrow I have a surprise for you guys. See our elevator. Let's pack. My fridge is clean. Let's not get into that. I couldn't do that at all. Oh my God, Chloe. I be in a loop. She be in a loop. I myself some mangoes. This first time in my adult life and spending money and eating money. I'm proud of myself. And these are so soft and actually affordable. If you love mangoes, they are 35 rand, if not 36. Check this. Go get you some, okay?
Give it time. Personal partners still a talking cause I got rich without them. Only thing they should be saying is, baby, keep it silent. We ain't even deep as you used to be, this shit slick the body. Right, got no hustle or nothing, so he gon' stick the body. I be knowing it.
Guys, man, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna healthy. This is the only junk I bought. Period, cooking salad. Also, guys, you need to excuse me. I can't open the door. And I'm feeling so hot. Unzima. Bought myself amapono, like bundles. And wool. This gel, which did this. Don't mind the fact that my edges look weird, but she ate. She ate. These are my favorite wipes. I bought them once and never looked back. Guys, and this will kaka hopefully today, because I have nothing to do today. Then I have midnight data that I need to use to finish setting up this laptop, and then I can get started with my things. Okay, I can't be this crusty, guys. Guys, the views on my last video are so bad. What? Why? Watch my videos. I'm doing this for you guys. I also forgot to show you this thing is for meal prep. I hated the ones that I had, guys. I couldn't even show you guys my video when I've cooked, you know. Now I can. This is not what I really like, what I initially wanted, but I wanted glass containers, you know. But I didn't think it was that expensive, you know what I'm saying. I don't want to scratch them. Girl, like up and I'm stuck. Like, you cannot bring me down, like, at all. Like, at all. Sorry, go if you don't like me. Got until late. Okay. This was like spacious. I'm very happy about the size. These look so cute, so aesthetic. Besides the fact that they're plastic. But you know what? I don't want to put these in the microwave because you guys know, like those that know, plastic are quite cute. Once you've put it in like the microwave for so long, it burns at the bottom and just no. Banana, guys, I'm unbraiding my hair. As you guys saw with that, like those bundles, right? And as if I already told you guys, like I'm gonna do a pondo with my hair. But get into it, yeah. And I switched on my light, my load shedding lamp, for extra lighting, cause get bit. And then when I'm done, say bye bye. Didn't want like this year. I can't be crusty for too long. No. Real plug. If you are someone who struggles with a bowel movement is, how can I put it in a way that's not disgusting? Like your poop pattern, man. Yeah, like if indlela oyanga toilet is irregular, you know that you're supposed to go to the bathroom like do number 2 like every day, right? Because digestion takes 24 hours. So every 24 hours you need to clean and make room for new food and whatever. If you can't go like to the toilet the way you should and you don't want to take laxatives or whatever, this is a laxative technically, because well, but it has a laxative effect. Do not consume more than 2 cups of this per day. Okay, and if you're pregnant, don't drink it. Bazali thengela nabantwana benu nibabone if bazoyisela. Yebo. But yeah. Nancy black, guys. Guys, my laptop is dead, so I can't like watch vlogs on my laptop while I'm doing my hair and vlog. So now I'm vlogging, pausing, watching videos, vlogging, pausing, watching videos. Now I'm on a tea break. Yeah, tomorrow I'm thinking about getting my hair washed tomorrow at salon, because I don't have confidence in myself washing my own hair. So I'd rather do it at salon. Also, umtu otela iswegile sugar in any other tea besides rooibos deserves jail time, because you are a criminal. You are capable of murder. Why? Imagine this tea, ufaka green tea. People put sugar in green tea. Y'all need prayers. Y'all need prayers, for real. Okay, let me get back to my thing, guys.
You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out to life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time. You keep wasting my time. Don't you on scene? Think you know your girl's so funny to be. That's why you think I left but 1 or 2 times. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay all night. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here?
guys, as you can see, I washed my hair. Looks so cute. And then when I came back from washing my hair, I made food and then I slept. Still waiting for my delivery. It has to take a lot. So since go in my labo, since Ovanka, into hopefully it comes today still. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank
Have a good
you.
day.
I'm up and I'm stuck. Oh, have you seen my white? Have you seen my white? Hush, cut up. Guys, I bought myself a tripod. Content jam ya kupuka. The vlogger in everywhere. Don't know what this is. Okay, see, that's a vlogger. Hi, guys, Nah, I don't think it's stable. I don't like it. Yeah, that's the Hi, how are you? I'm good. Not satisfied, but you know what? For 200 rands, I'm not too mad. By the grace of God. There's an fit check. Otherwise, ngijabulile bafethu. Ngijabulile. Oh. Let me put this back before the lash. Guys, I even have a tripod. Welcome to my channel. Okay guys, this is our tripod case now. The segment is over. Nanzo imosha guys, mandibeke. Sizosebenza mayisebenza. Glowing skin. What's up? My very first tripod. And I go, you know. Okay. Big shout out to God. When it rains, it pours, ne? But the little sunshine that you get, you appreciate. Okay.
Come on me, fly you out to grief, full speed.